Hi everyone! In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to crochet baby hat for the size 0 to 3 months. I'll be using medium white yarn and 5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. Make a magic ring, then chain 2 and work 13 double crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Tie the yarn, close the round with slip stitch. So for this first round I have 13 double crochets. For round 2, chain 2, then work 2 double crochets in every stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24, 25 and 26. Close the round with slip stitch, and I have 26 double crochets. Round 3, chain 2, yarn over and make 2 double crochets in the first stitch, yarn over, and I work 1 back post double crochet next stitch, yarn over, 2 double crochets next stitch, yarn over, 1 back post double crochet next stitch, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1 back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1 back post double crochet, yarn over, 3 double crochets and 1 back post double crochet, two double crochets in next stitch and 1 back post double crochet, one back post double crochet, then 2 double crochets, back post, 2 double crochets, back post and 2 double crochets, back post, 2 double crochets, back post, 2 double crochets, and I'll finish the round with 1 back post double crochet, and then join to the first stitch. I have 3 rounds completed, and I'll start round 4 chain 2, yarn over. So in the first double crochet from the 2 double crochet from previous round, they are the first 2 double crochet. I'll work 1 back post double crochet, yarn over, I'll skip one stitch, and in the next back post double crochet from previous round I'll work 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1 back post double crochet next stitch, and into the next back post double crochet I work again 2 double crochets, yarn over, 1 back post double crochet, yarn over, then 2 double crochets. Continue by repeating the stitches until you reach the end of the round, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, then back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, back post double crochet, then 2 double crochets. And I'll finish the round with 2 double crochets into the last back post double crochet, then join to the first stitch to close the round. And I have 4 rounds completed. I continue in the round 5, chain 2. For this round, in every back post double crochet I work 2 double crochets. In every first double crochet from the next 2 double crochets I work 1 back post double crochet, 2 double crochets in the first back post double crochet, yarn over, 1 back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochets. You can use different colors for every round. If you want to have colorful baby hat, or just use only one color. I finish the round with 1 back post double crochet in the first of the last 2 double crochet from round 4. Then join to close the round. So I have 5 rounds completed. Round 6. I'll continue to crochet by repeating round 4 and round 5. Chain 2, yarn over. I have 2 double crochets. They are the first double crochets, so into the first one I'll work 1 back post double crochet. In the next back post double crochet I'll make 2 double crochets. Yarn over, 1 back post double crochet, yarn over and 2 double crochets. So continue by repeating round 4 and round 5. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 rounds completed. I'll cut the yarn and I'll continue the next round with another color, so I change the colors and this is white. Attach the yarn and make chain 1, then make 1 single crochet in every stitch all around 1. I'll join and slip stitch. I continue with the blue color. The next round, this will be round 11. So round 10 is in white and round 11 will be blue. It will be absolutely the same as the previous round, so single crochet in every stitch. cut the white yarn and make the last round with the blue one. So join and slip stitch, chain 1 and single crochets. In every stitch.
Quisiera saber la última vez que pensaste en mí. Eso solamente fue un juego para ti.
Join and slip stitch. Then cut the yarn. You can sew some button to decorate the height. The baby hat is ready. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to stay updated. I'll publish new videos every week. Happy crocheting, have a wonderful day and see you next time.